Hello, fourth class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. In this class, we will learn how we will find out the beginning, middle, and ending part of a story. In how we will find out the beginning part. In the beginning part of the story, introduce the characters and the setting. जहाँ पे भी कैरेक्टर और सेटिंग की बात होगी दैट मीन्स दिस इज द बिगनिंग पार्ट. Middle part. In the middle part of the story is where all the action happens and the characters change. So we will find out this is the middle part. Ending part. The end of the story tells us what happens to the main characters after the action takes place. So in this way we will find out the beginning, middle and ending part of the story. Now this is your S2. This is question 1. Label the paragraph as beginning, middle and end of the story The Golden Goose. There are 3 paragraphs. Now we will find out the beginning. Beginning part में क्या होता है? Characters and setting. So we will check. The old woman and her daughter lived in a mud house with creaking doors and windows. They were very poor and usually sat outside the mud house. In this paragraph, we will talk about the characters and setting. So this is the beginning part of the story. So you have to write down the beginning part of the story here. Beginning. In this way we will check out the middle part and ending part of the story and write down here beginning और जो भी आपको middle और last ending इन दोनों paragraph में जो भी है आपको write करना है. Now this is the question 2. Match the following. Here are ABC part. Here the middle part, beginning part and ending part. So this is the middle part. This is the beginning part. Beginning part में क्या करते हैं? Beginning part introduce the setting and the characters. Here we will find out in which part in this part. In it is the part of the story that introduce the setting and the character. So we will match this. We will find out the middle part. Middle part में क्या होता है? Middle part which all the actions happens and the characters changes. So here this part which all the action happens and the character change उसको आपको match कर देना है. Now in this way you will find out the ending part and match it. Now after watching this video you have to complete this worksheet.